we'll show you how to create a new folder on a laptop using Windows 11 or 10. If this helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Folders are useful for keeping your files organized. You can make different folders for different things. For example, you could organize by years or work projects, or by subjects like math, English, and science. You get the idea. First, decide where you want your folder. You can put it on your desktop or open File Explorer at the bottom of your computer. Navigate to the location you want. On the left, for example, I'm going to my desktop. Next, right-click in the area. If you have a trackpad, click with 2 fingers or the designated click area. On a mouse, use the right button. A menu will appear. Look for the New option and hover your cursor over it. You don't need to click yet. Then, you'll see the option for Folder. Click on Folder with your left button. Now you can name your folder whatever you like and click Elsewhere to finish. You can drag files into it, open it, and access your files whenever you want.